Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Just wanted to give you a short video on encouraging you. You've done a ton of work this semester and you've done a great job through it all. I am fully confident that each and every one of you are competent to be managers and leaders in a library. Uh, and I love the way you think and you solve problems and you explore new ideas. um, you're just a great group. Um, so we're on money and budgeting, which is not everybody's favorite subject, but some of you will like this. I personally always like to spend the money. That was my favorite part at the public library, or well, even when I worked as a vendor. I mean, I got to spend other people's money, which was pretty fun. Um, and I always spent all of the budget I had, because if I didn't spend it, then it would be go unused, or it would go to somebody else, or the library board would think that I didn't need that much money, which was hardly ever the case. So I made sure that I spent that budget down to the end. Um, but other librarians I knew just couldn't be bothered to always do that, and I was always surprised because um, sometimes I ended up with their money because they didn't spend it. So I would encourage you to all, if you ever are in this situation, to spend the money that you are budgeted for the year, because it will, don't go over your budget. Make sure you stay within your budget, but make sure that you spend it. So anyway, this exercise, it is a new exercise. I haven't done this before, so it's possible that there are some instructions that aren't clear, or you think I'm crazy. Just let me know. Don't make it too hard on yourself. Do look at the budgets that I've given you. Do look at the demographics. Do make decisions, but there's really no right or wrong answer here. I'm not looking for a specific ratio because I haven't given you any of that information, and that kind of depends on a lot of factors. And there are some ratios out there if you were, say, building a new branch that your vendor could help you with. But I don't want you to be concerned with all that right now. So after you make your budget, make sure you just tell me a rationale for why you spent certain amount in certain places, considering your demographics of the library. And other than that, it's up to you. If you um, believe that you should have, half the library be music CDs, I'm going to kind of question that because that's kind of strange. But so try to be reasonable, try to think about libraries that you know of, and what kind of collections they have. But anyway, I also want you to see how much you can buy for the money. It's just an exercise in creating a budget, and just making decisions. Um, so have fun with it. Don't be too stressed about it. You're almost done with this class. There's only a few assignments left, and you're all doing great. And I hope you have a great week.